In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-delete Google Workspace search history. By the end, you'll have your workspace activity set to clean itself up on a schedule, which helps keep your searches private and your account tidy without any extra effort. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Make sure you're signed in to the correct work account so the setting applies where you expect it to. In the top right, click the grid icon, also known as the Google Apps Launcher. From that menu, choose Drive. We're using Drive because it provides a quick path to the privacy controls that affect your workspace search history across Google services. Once Drive opens, look to the top right and click the gear icon. This opens your Drive settings, where Google groups several privacy and data controls. In the Settings window, select Privacy on the left. This area focuses on how your activity is saved and how it can be managed. Next, click Manage Search History. You'll be taken to your Google My Activity page, already filtered for Workspace. This page shows how your workspace searches and activity are stored and gives you tools to control retention. Find and click Auto Delete. Then choose Auto Delete Activity Older Than. This is where you pick how long Google should keep your workspace activity before automatically removing it. You'll see options for 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. Shorter retention is better for privacy and reduces the footprint of your account. Longer retention can improve suggestions and help you retrace work over time. Pick the time frame that fits your organization's policies and your own comfort level. Click. Next, to review your choice. Google will explain what's included and how auto-delete works. It removes activity older than the time frame you selected and keeps doing so on a rolling basis. When you're ready, click Confirm. Your setting is now active, and Google will periodically delete older workspace activity in the background. The first cleanup can take a little time to appear, so don't worry if you don't see changes immediately. A few quick notes before we wrap up. This controls workspace activity history. It's different from your browser history. Some organizations use data retention policies that may limit changes, so if you're on a managed account, follow your admin's guidelines. You can return to these settings anytime to adjust the time frame using the same path through Drive. That's it. Your Google Workspace search history will now auto-delete on the schedule you chose. Thanks for watching, and keep your data working for you, not the other way around.